There we go. I think that puts us back. Those are knits. Knits on the knit side, pearls on the pearl side. All right, there we go. He has too many stitches for me. I looked at it and I was like, this is amazing. And I was like, I am tired just looking at it. And I went, yep, I'm okay with that. It's always next year's. Don't need to add more stress to my life right now. Because his shawls are amazing, but they are a lot. They're very complex, which make them gorgeous, and they're very interesting, which make them fun. But it's a lot of both, which also makes it a huge commitment. Let's see, in this, was this an increase or was this just an extra yarn over? 4,000 stitches? I believe that. Aris Artsy, Hotson, hello. Good evening. Happy time zone. Not an increase, just an extra yarn over. So let's fix that. Want to see it all before I commit, because there's one part where he has I-cords threaded through cables that I just loved. So the one thing I will say is if there's a portion of that shawl that you really like, there's a very good chance that he'll end up taking it and incorporating it in another piece later. Right? Because he likes to do that. He likes to be like, and then I tried this fun stitch pattern, and then I liked it so much, I made a whole new shawl out of it. So there's a really good chance that if that's the thing you liked out of that pattern, that you'll see it again soon. Or you could be super fancy like KB. KB took his shawl and then made like mini hat and sock variations out of it. I tried doing diamond brocade and got lost. Is that lace? Lace always gets me. If it's not a pattern I can easily memorize, it always confuses me. Like a lot of brioche looks super, super crazy, but it's very surprisingly repetitive.